Question number 1. The language spoken by the people of Pakistan is. Answer C. Sindhi. Question number 2. Gir National Park is situated in. Answer D. Gujarat. Question number 3. Shore Temple is located at. Answer D. Mahabalipuram. Question number 4. Red Cross was founded by. Answer C. J. H. Durant. Question number 5. The amount of light entering into the eye is regulated by. Answer B. Irish. Question number 6. The biggest oil refinery in India is at. Answer B. Jamnagar. Question number 7. Geostationary orbit is at a height of. Answer D. 36,000 km. The ignition temperature of white phosphorus is. Answer B. 30 degrees centigrade. Question number 9. Stethoscope was invented by. Answer B. Lainic. Question number 10. The last British Governor General was. Answer D. Lord Mountbatten. Question number 11. The longest mountain range in the world is. Answer C. The Andes. Question number 12. The most populous city in the world is. Answer D. Tokyo. Question number 13. The emblem of UNO is. Answer D. Olive branch. Question number 14. Which of the following color is in the visible spectrum has maximum range? Answer D. Red. Question number 15. Caustic soda is. Answer D. NaOH. Question number 16. The fastest planet is. Answer B. Mercury. Question number 17. City which is famous for its magnificent harbour is. Answer D. Lisbon. Question number 18. The largest island in the Indian Ocean is. Answer D. Madagascar. Question number 19. Which of the following metal was not known to Indus Valley people? Answer D. Iron. Question number 20. Which of the following is used as a coolant in nuclear reactors? Answer D. Liquid sodium. Thank you for watching our video.